Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Very first, we will start with the global markets, and in the US, we saw some correction because of consistent tension which is building up in the Red Sea area. That will keep the market little bit under pressure. But if we go through with Asia Pacific, then there the PBOC, that is People's Public Bank of China, unexpectedly kept its key medium-term lending facility at an unchanged levels of 2.5%, where there was expectations that the bank may come out with 10 basis point cuts, which is positive because then it shows that the system is stabilizing. The central bank injected cash via the MLF to boost liquidity. So this will help equity markets. The 10-year bond yield rose 2 basis point, and this particular again activity is going to strengthen the economy of China. So while looking at the entire setup of specific these details, we can expect some activity or bullishness in the Asian markets. However, Chinese markets are still in the red, but the broader setup and the broader macros are turning positive for China, and it will help Asian markets to do well. Already India's GIFT Nifty is trading nearly 80-85 points higher. On Friday here also we saw smart recovery in almost all the indices after the gap up opening from IT companies. In fact, IT companies helped our markets to cross their previous highs of 21,850, and crossing 21,850 is now going to support the market in terms of furthermore bullishness towards 22,200 levels. Currently it is around 22,000, 21,900. But while looking at the setup of option statistics, there is huge amount of call writing between 22,000 and 22,100, but there is double the amount of put writing at 21,700 and 800 levels. So more bias towards bullishness, and if we go through with the technical levels, then 21,700 is going to act as major support for the market. Till the markets are trading above the same, we can expect bullishness towards 22,000 and 22,200 levels. Ideal strategy should be to look for adding position if there is any correction in the market between 21,850 to 21,800. We can keep stop loss at 21,700. Now, if we go through with Bank Nifty, then there also we saw some sluggish sort of activity. However, it was trying to absorb the selling pressure, which is between 49,900 and 48,000 levels. If we see the Nifty, Bank Nifty is crossing this 48,000 levels, then we can expect rally towards 48,300 and 48,500. There also we feel that 47,500, 400 going to act as major support, and 47,400 should be the final level to hold any long positions in the market. Above 48,000 we can take some trending bets in the market. From the other indices, almost all the indices did well in that real estate space, really did well along with IT companies. Wipro as well as Infosys can do much better in the next few days, along with stocks like Tech Mahindra, where we saw huge amount of underperformance when there was some activity in the market. So for Infosys, we are of the view that it is heading for at least 1700 based on its technical formation, and for Wipro, the next level to watch out for would be 500 and 510. For Tech Mahindra, it is underperforming, but it need to cross the level of 1370 to show the real strength. So 1370 is the level to watch out for Tech Mahindra. And for Reliance Industries, there also we feel that it is heading for at least 2800 levels. So 2800 is possible on Reliance, but we can expect gradual upward activity in the market. And from the BFSI sector, State Bank should do well because all the PSU banks are doing well. They are recovering from their lows. Most of these stocks are very close to their previous high. State Bank is also nicely corrected to the important levels, and now there also we can expect upward activity. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a nice day to all of you.